on? This is Shaylin from Altcoin Buzz here to report the news for today. So let's get straight into it. So cryptocurrency market will hit $1 trillion valuation this year, according to the CEO of a top exchange. And if you guys are probably wondering, what is this top exchange? Well, it is the CEO of Kraken. He's the founder and CEO, and his name is Jesse Powell. And he said on Tuesday that the cryptocurrency market will continue to see an acceleration of growth. And he was asked whether or not he thought the market capitalization of cryptocurrencies would hit the $1 trillion mark in 2018, and Powell said yes. So he agreed with the statement. I'd really like to know, what do you guys think about the cryptocurrency market? Right now, it's currently sitting at just over $400 billion, so it seems that we are more further away from that $1 trillion market cap. We certainly have a lot of room to grow. With the market correction, which you're currently seeing, or the market crash, however you want to call this, it's always good and healthy to see, because if we just saw these coins, tremendously go up. I mean, the highest we saw the market cap, was I believe around $700 billion as a market cap, and it corrected. So with Bitcoin, all these cryptocurrencies just going on massive bull runs, if we didn't see a correction and we just saw this head up to $1 trillion valuation, and then all of a sudden we saw a correction, it would be a much bigger correction than what we're seeing now. So be very thankful that we are seeing a correction right now as compared to later. But I'd really like to know, what do you guys think about this? Do you think we'll hit the $1 trillion mark in 2018? Leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. So if you guys are using Coinmarketcap, because I do know we use Coinmarketcap all the time on our team here, just to see market trends, see market analysis, and see what is happening out there. It's also a really good way for us to check out the social tab and see what coins are really putting out news. It's so efficient. I really love Coinmarketcap. So Coinmarketcap now shows cryptocurrency prices in Bitcoin Cash, Ripple, and Litecoin. So as you can see, those are the tickers. So if you go to the USD tab right here, you can see all the different options. I'm really interested to see what CoinMarketCap is going to do. Are they going to add, now that they've added Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin, are we going to see more alternatives? So are we going to see Cardano? Are we going to see Ethereum Classic? Are we going to see all these different coins out there, which are solving, a form of payment essentially? Are we going to see them being added to CoinMarketCap? Well, I guess we're just going to have to wait and see. I can't tell the future. I don't work at CoinMarketCap, so I can't tell you, but I'm really interested to see what new updates they have. And keep up the good work if anyone from CoinMarketCap is watching this video. So Litecoin is sliding after the first competing fork is announced. So big news from Litecoin. So Litecoin is falling after the first hard fork was announced. It will occur next week. So it looks like a new hard fork is being announced next week. But it goes on to say, here's the twist, okay? Litecoin Cash is not affiliated with Litecoin in any way, and the Litecoin founder Charlie Lee has warned that it could be a scam. So because it is not associated with Litecoin, what is Litecoin Cash? We don't really have much information about Litecoin, but it was announced by an unaffiliated organization. So Litecoin holders will receive 10 tokens of Litecoin Cash for every Litecoin they own, the newly minted Litecoin Cash Foundation said on Monday. So I'm really interested to see what Litecoin Cash is. Of course, the founder of Litecoin is warning that this could be a scam, so just be very vigilant out there about Litecoin Cash. I personally don't know what it's going to do, because we have seen Bitcoin Cash, do kind of well. A lot of people also have mixed opinion on Bitcoin Cash, calling it a scam, saying that, they're just writing the Bitcoin name. So is Litecoin Cash doing the same thing? I'm not calling it a scam, but I'm definitely saying just be a bit wary out there, because it seems that we are starting to see a lot of scams and a lot of these coins which are just coming onto the market, not really solving anything and just writing on the name. So what do you guys think about Litecoin Cash? Really interested to see what this is going to do. South Korea is also in the news today. So South Korea is considering a new licensing system for cryptocurrency exchanges. So in a turnaround from a hardline approach to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, South Korea is mulling a licensing system to help regulate the country's virtual currency exchanges. So the authorities may introduce a new system based on BitLicense model developed in New York. Business Korea reports, but a final decision isn't expected until June. So it looks like we have a couple of months. And just speaking about licensing and regulation, I have been reading the comments, and a lot of people have mixed feelings on this. I'm just going to share my opinion on what I think about regulations. Regulations are really good, but it really depends on how you regulate something. For instance, if something is regulated, for example, if cryptocurrency is regulated, a lot of people will get more involved with cryptocurrencies because they believe that the government believes in it to a certain extent. Now, I'm talking about the people on the fence. I'm not talking about the millennium people and the people that really see value in cryptocurrencies and blockchain. I'm talking about the people who really, looking at this from a distance and seeing like, is this a good investment? Should I really put my money in there? So I'm talking about that. So in terms of that thing, having regulation and having licensing in place is really good to see, because that will give them more heart, basically, that someone is really looking out for them. For instance, the government is looking out for them, contrary to what really blockchain is doing. But if we had no regulation, then it's kind of just like the Wild West and everything goes, it's not really safe, and it kind of is scary for the people that don't really understand it, and I can understand why they're on the fence from that degree. And then you get over-regulation, which is kind of what China has done. Now, China has just made it really impossible for anyone to get involved with cryptocurrencies, and I believe that is unfair, but that is my opinion. That is not financial advice. That's just the way I'm looking at things, okay? So China has banned cryptocurrency exchanges, banned ICOs. They made it really hard for anyone or any resident in China to really get involved with cryptocurrency. So regulation is good in moderation, but over-regulation is bad. That is what I just want to sum that up and say. So here are five ways cryptocurrencies can help entrepreneurs in 2018. So if you're an entrepreneur out there, and if you're looking to change the world, here are 5 ways where cryptocurrencies can help you. So they can help with raising capital. So if you notice, a lot of ICOs and a lot of coins out there have been raising a ton of capital, because it seems like any person who just makes an ICO or just makes a coin, everyone just throws in their money without actually really looking into it. So on that note, guys, although you can raise capital, I want you guys to be very mindful about these ICOs and check whether or not, they actually have real-world application to them. Another thing is transacting value. So cryptocurrencies enable transact value between pairs without a centralized authority, which means that it is cheaper, faster, and more efficient than alternative payments. So for example, if you use PayPal, they take a massive fee. If you use wire transfers, they take a massive fee. But if you use, cryptocurrencies, the fee is drastically reduced. It's received almost instantly, There's so many positives to it. The only thing is that it's not really used in mass adoption, so a lot of big companies aren't using that. But hopefully we will see that happening more in 2018. So investing in the future. So by investing into cryptocurrencies, this is an opportunity of a lifetime. It has a lot of upside in the future, and you're developing on the blockchain. So as more people get more involved with the blockchain will become more powerful and have a better infrastructure, and therefore the technology will get better and better. And most importantly, you will join the blockchain community. Not only that, you will join the altcoin community, and you will join the altcoin buzz community and connect with us, and find like-minded people who actually see this value in cryptocurrencies. We've seen a massive community that we've grown in just a couple of months, and we'd love to see this keep on growing. But of course, right now, a lot of people are really confused about the market, and I think what we're doing is we're weeding out the weak hands and the people who are just out there, for quick coin picks, effectively. And I'd love to see the people that actually believe in it, and this article by Entrepreneur really shows, what value cryptocurrencies can really bring to entrepreneurs in 2018. And I'd love to see more articles like this, because this is how we're going to get, real change, guys. We need to talk to the people who are looking to change the world and get them to use cryptocurrencies. That is how we're going to get that mass adoption happening, and that is how a lot of people are going to get more involved with cryptocurrencies in 2018. So let's head over to Twitter and let's see what new updates we have. So Ripple has an update right now. So if we go over here, we can see that they've just retweeted this. So proud to be on the team Ripple, recognized on Forbes FinTech 50 list again this year, and we're just getting started. So this is by Anish. So it looks like he's been featured on Forbes. So always good to see, entrepreneurs getting featured on here. So IOTA is also in the news. They have some updates on the Trinity wallet update. So if you guys are interested in IOTA, definitely head over to their Reddit or head over to their Twitter, which is IOTA token, and check out this link where they talk about this more in detail. VeChain also has an update today, and we can see that they have just followed by introducing our CTO, Mr. Gru. So VeChain Gru, that's his username. We feel it's appropriate to have a sneak peek at our technology and hardware capability. Check out some of our in-house equipment at our SH office, and we're thrilled to roll out more. It looks like they're constantly updating new updates. So keep an eye on VeChain. They seem to be having a ton of partnerships, and they seem to be making some massive progress in 2018. So that is it today for the news, guys. If you guys are new here, make sure you follow us on Twitter at altcoinbuzz.io. Our community is growing really fast on here, and we'd really like to really grow a community and connect with you guys. We're also on Snapchat. We're on a whole bunch of other places as well, such as Instagram at Altcoin Buzz. We also have a Telegram, Facebook group, a Discord. We're just all over the place. So I'll leave a link to everything linked in the description below. That way you can connect with us, drop us your questions. We'd love to hear what you guys are doing in the market right now. Are you guys checking out any ICOs? You guys checking out any coins? Would you guys like us to talk about any coins? Leave a comment below, or connect with us, join our social links, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And before I end, please be sure to hit that subscribe button below. That way you are constantly up to date when we launch a video, and turn on post notifications. Sorry for that. And that is it today, guys. I will catch you guys on the next video.